Hi students, we have completed the book exercise. Now we are moving to grammar book. Okay, grammar book and the 10th topic. We are going to see the 10th topic, conjunction. We are going to see conjunction. What is mean by conjunction? Conjunction means it is a word. Okay, a word can join two phrases. Phrases means a group of words or two sentences. Yes, or two words. These are called conjunction. Okay, two words, two phrase or two sentence. ரெண்டையும் join பண்றது. ஒரு ரெண்டு sentence ஒரு word கொடுத்து join பண்றது தான் conjunction. Yes, we all know about fanboys. Yes, fanboys. Fanboys na F for. Next A for and. Yes, fanboys you know, right? F A N B O Y. Yes. So F for, A and, N not or not, okay, nor, and B for but, O for or, Y for it, S for so. These are the fanboys. Yes, for na adanala, right? Next and, both thing, nor means it or that. Next but means aanalum, okay, or means this or that. Next yet. So all these already we learned in the previous class, right? Now we are going to learn the new conjunction words, because, since, so, as. These four words we are going to learn, and where we want to use these conjunctions, that also we are going to learn today. Okay, now take your book, page number 38, conjunctions. Because, what is the meaning of because? Yenenil. It is the reason. We are giving the reason, means we can use because. Yes, I didn't come to school because I have fever. So we are giving the reason through because. Okay, next one we are going to see since. Since means when we started that one thing, it is since. In Tamil we can say mudal, adula irundu, adu mudal. Okay, next so means adanala. Okay, so means adanala. I have fever, so I didn't come to school. என்னால fever இருந்ததனால என்னால ஸ்கூலுக்கு வர முடியல. Okay, next one, as means பிரகாரம், பொழுது. Yes, while one thing is happening, as is the same as while. Two things is happening at a time, we can use the as. Okay, now let me see the examples. Look at the sentence below. See, these four examples only I have written here. We decided to go for a walk because it was quite hot inside. உள்ள வெக்கையா இருந்ததனால வெளியே வாக் போனோம். See, because I give the reason. உள்ள வெக்கையா இருந்த காரணத்தினால். Okay, so reason. See, next one, Raunak is practicing hard since he wants to take part in the tournament. அந்த டோர்னமெண்ட்ல பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணணும்ட்டு அந்த எப்போ அதை அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணாங்களோ அது முதல் அவன் ப்ராக்டிஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டான். ஓகே, ஸோ முதல். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஐ குட் நாட் டூ மை ஹோம்ஒர்க் ஆஸ் ஐ வாஸ் வெரி டயர்ட். சி, என்னால் ஹோம்ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியாது, ஏன்னா நான் ரொம்ப டயர்டாக இருக்கேன். ஓகே, ஸோ பொழுது ஹோம்ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியாது, அந்த நேரம் நான் டயர்டாக இருக்கேன். டூ திங் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் அட் ஒன் டைம். I am very tired, so I am not able to write homework. So two is writing. Okay, this box is very heavy, so I can't carry it. The box ரொம்ப வெயிட்டா இருக்கிற காரணத்தினால அதனால என்னால இது தூக்க முடியாது. Okay, அதனால். So these things we are going to learn today. See, now look at let us look all the following sentences from the above example. We decided to go for a walk, first thing, because we are going to learn, right? It was quite hot inside. See the question, why did we decide to go out? Why? Because is answer for the question why. Okay, see, because it was quite hot inside. கொஞ்சம் உள்ள ஹாட்டா இருந்ததனால நாங்க வெளிய போறோம் அந்த காரணத்தினால். See, because is a conjunction. Already I told that joins two parts of a sentence and give reason for a certain action. ஒரு ரெண்டு சென்டென்ஸை ஜாயின் பண்ணும் and also it gives the reason, okay, for the certain action. The part that gives the reason could be the first or second part of the sentence. And the reason வந்து first partலயே இருக்கலாம், second part. First part, second part means here see, here one sentence, here one sentence. Two sentences are there. See, because, using because we are joining the two sentences. Okay, two sentences because use பண்ணி ஒரு sentence நம்ம join பண்றோம். ஒரே sentence மாத்துறது தான் conjunction. Okay, see here, next page number 39. We came here because we wanted to look at the bird's nest. See, because இங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, middle யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Next one பாரு, because Habib wanted to go out, he completed his work quickly. See, in the beginning of a sentence, right? So because நம்ம ஃப்ரண்ட்லயும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், மிடில்லயும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், ரெண்டுலயும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, next one, Lima could not go to school because her clothes were wet. See, in the beginning, in the middle. Okay, next one, now look at the second sentence from the examples given at the beginning, which means this sentence, second sentence. Raunak is practicing hard since he wants to take part in the tournament. In this sentence, since tell us why Ranuk is practicing hard. It shows the reason for the action. அவ என்ன காரணத்துக்காண்டி, it also talks about the reason. Okay, காரணம். It also talks about the reason of the action. எதுக்காண்டி அந்த வேலையை உட்கார்ந்து செஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கான், எதுக்காண்டி உட்கார்ந்து பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். He wants to win the tournament. Okay, so mentioned in the first part of the sentence. So it is used in the first part of the sentence. Already we know conjunction means it can join two sentences. See here, Ranuk is practicing hard. It is one sentence. He wants to take part in the tournament. It is one sentence. So these two sentences are connected with the since. Okay, see here, this since also answering the question why. See, question, why is Raunak practicing hard? Since he wants to take part in the tournament. And the tournament la participate பண்ணனும்ங்கறதுக்காண்டி இவ்ளோ ஹார்டா வர்க் பண்றான். See, since is also used to refer a particular time. Yes, it talks about the time. Yes, before the tournament is begin, the time we will know, right? So time is mentioned here. It tells us about a point in time in the past from when a particular thing started happening. Okay, next one, see the example. I was a big fan of Sourav Ganguly since I was a child. நான் சின்ன பிள்ளையா இருக்கும் போதுல இருந்தே நான் கங்குலிக்கு ஃபேன். So சின்ன பிள்ளை முதல், சிறு வயது முதல், ஓகேவா, from the childhood I am a fan of Ganguly. So since முதல் அப்படிங்கிற வேர்டுக்காண்டி since யூஸ் பண்றோம். Okay, see, Anita stopped eating chicken since she was 10 years old. When Anita is 10 years, she stopped chicken eating. So 10 வயசு முதல் அவ ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டா. Okay, next one, since is a conjunction that joins two parts of a sentence by showing the reason or cause for the action or idea mentioned in one part. See here, since is used for showing the reason. Here also because is also used for showing the reason, and since is also used for the reason or idea mentioned in one part, or idea is mentioned in one part. Okay, since is idea. See, this is Raunak is practicing hard. He wants to, அது அவனோட ஐடியா, எப்படியாவது அதில் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணணும், கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறது அவனோட ஐடியா. ஸோ ஹியர் ஐடியா ஆல்சோ மென்ஷன்ட் இன் ஒன் பார்ட், ரைட்? Next, examples. My sister studies hard since she wants to do well in the exams. My brother is cooking since my parents are out of town. எங்க அம்மா அப்பா வெளியே போயிருக்கும்போது என் பிரதர் குக் பண்றான். Simi has not met her friend Aditi since she moved out of town. Okay, see now we are going to give the reason or time. Reason na edhula காரணம் கொடுக்காங்க, காரணம் கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு ஆர்னு போடணும். And time, if it mentioned about the time, இன்னைக்கு முடிக்கணும், நாளைக்கு முடிக்கணும், இன்னைக்கு டோர்னமெண்ட் அப்படினா எது, if it denote about the time means we want to give t. Okay, see in the sentence below, listen carefully. First 3 I am going to do, remaining 3 is your homework, so listen carefully. In the sentence below, identify where since is used to talk about time and where is used to give a reason. Write T for time and R for reason in the space provided. That dash we want to give R or T. Okay. Okay. Now first one. I thought of visiting you since you were alone at home. நான் நினைச்சேன், I thought of visiting you. நான் உன்னை விசிட் பண்ண வரும்போது since you were alone at home, நீ வந்து தனியா இருப்பேன்னு நினைச்சேன். So it is a reason. நீ தனியா இருந்தா நம்ம கொஞ்சம் பேசலாம், பேரண்ட்ஸோட இருந்தா we are not able to play, right? So it is a reason. So we want to give R for the first one. And second one, it is a reason, right? நான் நினைச்சேன் நீ வந்து ஃப்ரீயா இருப்ப, ஃப்ரீயா இருந்தா உன் கூட பேசலாம் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சேன். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். We have been working on this project all the day since we have to submit it tonight. See, we have been working on this project. இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட்டுக்காண்டி நம்ம எவ்வளோ நாளாக ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். We have to submit it tonight. எப்படியாவது இன்னைக்கு முடிச்சிடணும். ஸோ ஒரு பிளான் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ இட் இஸ் ரீசன். இட் இஸ் நாட் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் டைம். Okay, if I want to submit it tomorrow, that like the one date is mentioned, time is mentioned, means only we want to use time. It is reason. So or. Then third one, I have not met my relatives since I left the city. The city விட்டு, for example we can take திருநெல்வேலி சிட்டியை விட்டு லெஃப்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னக்குட்டி என் ஃப்ரெண்ட் என் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸை நான் பார்க்கவே இல்லை. I have not met my relatives since I left the city. Okay, so see here, since I left the city, left நான் அவ்வளோ நாள் இருந்திருக்கேன். So it denotes about the time. ஓகே, அவ்வளோ நாள் இந்த திருநெல்வேலியில் தான் இருந்திருக்கேன், ஆனால் திருநெல்வேலியில் இருந்துட்டு என்னோட ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸை நான் பார்க்கல. ஸோ இட் டாக்ஸ் அபவுட் த டைம். ஸோ வி வாண்ட் டு கிவ் டி. ஓகே, தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். Okay, D, E, F is your homework. You can find it is reason or time. If there is a reason means you want to give or. If it denotes about the time, okay, time means we want to give T. Okay, now next one. Now look at the third sentence. Third sentence, what is the third sentence? I could not do my homework as I was very tired. This is the third sentence. The conjunction as in this sentence joins two parts of a sentence and shows the reason for doing homework. Not doing homework. Homework செய்யாதத பத்தி இந்த two sentences இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? Why did I not do my homework as I was tired? எதுக்காண்டி நான் ஹோம்வொர்க் செய்யல, என்ன காரணத்துக்காண்டி நான் ஹோம்வொர்க் செய்யல, ஏன்னா எனக்கு டயர்டா இருந்தது. So it talks about the reason. ஓகேவா? If we didn't do anything means we tell reason, right? நான் அங்க போயிட்டேன் இங்க போயிட்டேன் அதனால இது homework செய்யல. Yes, like that only this also. As is also used to show an event that happens while something else is happening. And as is also like the while already we learned, right? While எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், ஒரே நேரத்துல two action நடக்கும்போது. While I am teaching, someone is entering to the class. நான் டீச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போதே ஒருத்தங்க உள்ள வராங்க. Okay, while I am watching TV, my parents are cooking. Okay, so two things is happening at a time. This as also as like that. Okay, in other words, as join two events occurring at the same time. ரெண்டு ஈவெண்ட் ஒரே நேரத்துல நடக்கிறது தான் நடக்கிறதை மென்ஷன் பண்றது as. Okay, see, the teacher walked into the class as we were planning to go out. டீச்சர் உள்ள வந்து நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்காங்க, அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் வெளியே போனோம், பிளான் போட்டோம். ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஐ வாஸ் பிளேயிங் இன் த கார்டன் ஆஸ் ஐ ஹியர்ட் எ கிளாப் ஆஃப் தண்டர். நான் கார்டனுக்குள்ளே போனேன், அதுக்கு முன்னே அங்கே இடி இடிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டு. ஸோ டூ ஆக்ஷன் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் அட் அ டைம். Okay, see here, as is a conjunction that joins two parts of a sentence by showing the reason of an accent or idea mentioned in one part of the sentence. As is used when two actions happen at the same time. Same thing, two action is happening at a one time. Okay, as I was not feeling well, I came back home early. எனக்கு உடம்பு சரியில்லாதனால சீக்கிரம் வீட்டுக்கு வந்துட்டேன். Okay, two things is happening. I saw a thief climb over our wall as I peeped out of the window. நான் கதவை ஜன்னலை திறந்துட்டு பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு தீஃப் உள்ள வந்தான். climb over the wall, வால்ல ஏறிக்கிட்டு இருந்தான். ஓகே, so two things is happening at a time. The plants did not grow well as nobody took care of them. யாருமே பிளான்ட்டை பார்க்கலன்னா பிளான்ட் வளராது. So two reason. Next one, see, in the sentence below, identify the different uses of the conjunction as right or if it is used to give a reason and a if it is used to show action. Reason ஆயிருந்தா if it is a reason we want to give, or if it is a action. Action means we know verb action. Action sit, stand, teach, speak. Yes, all these are action. If it is an action means we want to give a. Okay, here we give reason or time t. Now we are going to give reason or action a. Okay, first three I am going to do, remaining three is your homework. I was not selected for the school choir as I had a bad throat. நான் வந்து ஸ்கூல் கொயருக்கு செலக்ட் ஆகலை, ஏன்னா என் தொண்டை என்ன இல்லை சரியில்லை. ஓகே, ஐ ஹேட் அ பேட் த்ரோட், என் வாய்ஸ் வந்து நல்லா இல்லை. ஸோ இட் இஸ் அ ரீசன். எஸ், என் தொண்டை சரியில்லாத காரணத்தினால நான் செலக்ட் ஆகல. ஓகே, இட் இஸ் அ ரீசன். எஸ், ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ரீசன். So we want to put R. Next one, I asked Jitu to come home as we had to complete the project. The project complete பண்ணனும்ங்கற காரணத்தினால நான் ஜித்துவை வீட்டுக்கு கூப்பிட்டேன். So it is the reason. It talks about the reason. So R. Next, third one, she tried to hide my chocolate as I looked away. அவா சாக்லேட்டை மறைச்சி வைக்க பார்த்தா. ஸோ மறைச்சி, ஹைட். ஹைட் இஸ் த verb. It is an action. Yes, ஒரு action is going on, right? One action is going on. So it is action. For action you want to give a. Okay, remaining three is your homework. Next one. Now look at the last sentence. What is the last sentence? This box is very heavy, so I can't carry it. This box romba weight ah irukadanaala ennoda carry panna mudiyadhu. See, question, what is the result of the box being heavy? What? See, it answering the question what. I can't carry it. நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், அது வெயிட்டா இருக்கறதுனால என்னால ஹெவியா இருக்கறதுனால என்ன பிரச்சனை அப்படினு கேக்குறோம். So I can't carry it. See, so is a conjunction that joins two sentences by joining the result or effect of the action or condition mentioned in one part of the sentence. So here one condition is applied. இது ஹெவியா இருக்கறதுனால என்னால தூக்க முடியாது. So command, condition is there. தூக்க முடியாது, right? So condition. See, I was tired, so I slept early. எனக்கு டயர்டா இருந்தது, அதனால நான் தூங்கிட்டேன் சீக்கிரமா. It was raining, so we stayed at home. The flight got cancelled, so my father came back home. Okay, now here see, match the following is here. With the match, you want to match with the concerned column B. ஓகேவா, காலம் ஏல இருந்து காலம் B வந்து மேட்ச் பண்ணணும். மேட்ச் பண்ணிட்டு in the middle you want to join with so. So யூஸ் பண்ணி ரெண்டு சென்டென்ஸையும் ஜாயின் பண்ணணும். Okay, first one I can tell you, remaining three is your homework. So just listen. I was hungry. எனக்கு ரொம்ப வயிறு பசிக்கு. So which is the answer will come here? I ate all the cookies. So I ate all the cookies. Okay. How you want to write means I was hungry. So yes, you want to put so, then you want to write I ate all the cookies. எனக்கு பசியா இருந்த காரணத்தினால, அதனால பசியா இருந்ததனால, அதனால yes, so means அதனால நான் அவ்வளோ குக்கீஸையும் சாப்பிட்டுட்டேன், அவ்வளோ பிஸ்கட்டையும் சாப்பிட்டுட்டேன். Okay, so this is the answer. As like this you want to do the remaining thing. So you want to add in the middle and then you want to join the sentence what is correct. Okay, next one, fourth Roman letter. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions from the box. 4 conjunctions are given. What are they? Because, since, so, as. From this you want to select and write the answer. Okay, first one. He did not buy a gift dash he had no money. Which one will come? We can use as also, we can use because also, we can use since. These 3 things are comes under the reason. So மூணுமே கரெக்ட் தான். அஸ்ஸும் எழுதலாம், சின்ஸும் எழுதலாம், பிகாஸும் எழுதலாம். ஓகே, see, he did not buy a gift. அவன் gift வாங்கல. ஓகே, he had no money. எதனால வாங்கல? அவங்கிட்ட மணி இல்லாதனால. மணி முதல்ல இருந்தே. so since யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், because reason, so because யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், as இல்லாத காரணத்தினால் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். so what is the answer for this first one? As, because, as or because or since. Okay, next, second one. You should do this immediately dash it has already been delayed. இதை நீ இப்பவே செஞ்சாகணும், ஏற்கனவே இது ரொம்ப லேட் ஆயிட்டு. so for this also we are able to use as, because, since. These 3 is correct. Next, third one. Dash Kirti was entering the building. She saw a man running out. Kirti building குள்ள enter ஆகறா. அந்த நேரத்துல ஒரு man வெளிய போறான். so two things is happening. Two situation is happening. Two sentences here. Okay, two is happening at a time. At a time na நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? as. Okay, as மட்டும் தான் வரும் for this. Next, fourth one. She fed him his dinner dash he continued to do his homework. Two action is happening at a time. See here, she fed him his dinner. fed na feed பண்றாங்க, சாப்பாடு கொடுக்கறாங்க. ஓகேவா? he continued to do his homework. அவன் homework செய்றான். so two thing is happening. so we want to use the word as. use the conjunction as. Next, fifth one. I was sick dash I did not eat the ice cream. நான் எனக்கு உடம்பு சரியில்லாத காரணத்தினால என்னால் ஐஸ்கிரீம் சாப்பிட முடியாது, அதனால. so we want to use so. then sixth one. Please don't play with your knife dash it is not safe. தயவு செய்து கத்தி வச்சு விளையாடாத, இது சேஃப் கிடையாது. so we are able to use as, because, since. because these are reasons. Sorry, since. Okay, next is seventh one. I could not find a taxi dash I came late. எனக்கு ஒரு டாக்ஸியுமே கிடைக்கல, அதனால நான் லேட்டா தான் வருவேன். so அதனால, right? so next one. use correct conjunctions to complete the sentences. Everyone liked Danish dash he was very honest. everyone, each one, எல்லாருக்குமே டானிஷை பிடிக்கும், ஏன்னா அவன் ரொம்ப நேர்மையா இருப்பான். so which is the answer will come here? yes, as. we can use as, because, since. மூணுமே யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். as, because, since. 3 answers are correct. Next, the remaining 4, shall I give it as a homework? Yes. You can see if 2 action is happening means you want to give as, அதனால அப்படின் that meaning is coming means you want to use so, reason is coming means you want to use because, and it talks about time means you want to use since, idhila irundhu adula irundhu mudal, okay, starting point. Denote means you want to use since. Okay, next one. Now sixth Roman letter, join the pairs of sentences given below using the conjunctions because, since or as. You can change the order of the sentences. One is done for you. See, our car broke down. We were late. See, we are able to change the sentences, and if you want to connect the conjunction in between the two sentences. See here, we were late because our car broke down. நாங்கள் லேட்டாக வந்தோம் ஏன்னா கார் broke down ஆயிட்டு. Okay, next second one. I submitted the homework late. I will be punished. What we can write here? Yes, I will be punished. நான் பனிஷ் பண்ணப்பட்டேன். ஏன்னாக்கு as we can use, since we can use, because we can use. Okay, I submitted the homework late. So you want to write I will be punished. I will be punished as, since, because I submitted the homework late. Next, third one. You were going alone. I thought of joining you. Here two sentences are given. We want to change, right? I thought of joining you as, since, because you were going alone. Like this you want to write. How we want to write? I thought of joining you as, since, because you were going alone. நீ தனியாக போகிறதுனால நான் உங்களோட வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம்னு நினச்சேன். Okay, so it is reason. So we can use as, because, since. See next one. Take her to the classroom. She is a new student. It is very easy. Here, this sentence is correct. So we just going to add as, since, because. Okay. So you can write. I can dictate. You can write. Okay. Take her to the classroom. As usual, from the question you want to write. Take her to the classroom as, since, because she is a new student. Okay. Next one. I have been waiting for 2 hours. I wanted to meet you. This also the same correct sentence. We want to just use the conjunction. See, I have been waiting for 2 hours. Yes, as usual from the question. Then you want to add as, since, because I wanted to meet you. Okay. Next, the last one. I saw you playing 2 years ago. Your bowling has improved a lot. நீ விளையாடுறத 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி பார்க்கறதுக்கும் இப்போதைக்கும் உன் பவுலிங்ல நிறைய வித்தியாசம் வந்திருக்கு. நல்லா இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிருக்க. Okay, your bowling has improved. How we want to write? Your bowling. Here their sentence is not clear, so we want to change this. Your bowling has improved a lot since I saw you playing 2 years ago. Okay. Next one, correct the conjunction in the sentences given below. Okay, we want to correct the sentence. What is wrong? We want to correct the sentence. First one, I worked hard, so I wanted to pass the test. Now hard work பண்ணதுனால அதனால நான் வந்து பாஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ரீசன் நான் ஒர்க் பண்ண அந்த ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்குக்கு எனக்கு ரிசல்ட் வேணும். ஸோ வி வாண்ட் டு யூஸ் ஆஸ் சின்ஸ். அதனால் ஸோ வி வாண்ட் டு கட் த ஸோ, then we can change as or since or because. These three things if you write means it is correct. Okay, next one. But I started early in the morning. I did not miss the train. Here is no yes, here is no meaning itself. So you want to cut the but, then we want to write as, since, because. Next, the third one. Now page number 44. So he was my friend. அவன் என் ஃப்ரெண்டாக இருந்த காரணத்தினால I decided to help him with his bag. அவன் என் ஃப்ரெண்டாக இருந்ததனால so is used here. So is wrong. We want to use as, same thing as, since, because. Okay, as, since, because. Next, fourth one. See, I did not buy the dress, so it was expensive. நான் வந்து அந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸை வாங்கலை, அதனால் அது எக்ஸ்பென்சிவாக இருந்தது. there is no meaning. So we want to cut down the so கட் பண்ணிட்டு as, since, because. 3 is correct. Okay, next one, fifth one. I passed the test but I worked hard. I passed the test but I worked hard. But ஆனால் நான் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணேன். I passed the test ஆனால் நான் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணேன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டோம். நான் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணதனால நான் பாஸ் பண்ணேன். ஸோ but is wrong. We want to use as, since, because. This is the correct. Okay, next, last one, sixth one. I know you must be tired, since I will let you rest. எனக்கு தெரியும் நீ ரொம்ப டயர்டாக இருப்பானே, அது முதல்ல இருந்து எப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ since is used here. Since is wrong. We want to use the word so. அதனால் நீ ரெஸ்ட் எடு அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்லுவோம். So let you rest. Okay, okay students, I give some homework. Do that and send. I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you students.